Welcome. We are discussing here something that about unified concept of learning. Many parents may remember these things that atom, then basic atomic structure, everything we learned somewhere in 5th standard, 6th standard onwards. Whereas spectra, we learned something about in 9th standard. Then if you are going for science stream, then in 11th standard also there is chapter atomic structure. And like that things are there. Same thing is there about history, that we are aware of Mahatma Gandhi, Lokmanya Tilak, Nehru, all these people. Right from say 3rd standard, 4th standard onwards, they are there in the syllabus. But every year somewhat detail they are going to teach. Whereas what is here, the concept which is interested, that is not purely academics. Let me clarify. It is subject for means of subject only. That means let us try to understand this universe. So there is no distinct, this is the physics, chemistry and biology. No. So when we are learning this, at that time we are learning that subject for means of that subject, and while learning that part, whatever the essential part we are going to discuss. And this way we are making a concept that is called as unified concept of learning. You are aware in the space science or in the physics rather, there is theory that is unified theory, that everything is manifestation of single string, that is particle named as string, and it vibrates in all 10 dimensions possible, and therefore we are having effect of different particles and all that, something like theory is there. So here we are considering the same thing, that whatever the subject is there, that is only single subject. But we are going to describe that to somewhat depth. And believe me, if even 8th standard student, I'm not telling 5, 6 or 7, if it is, then it is, we have to say, graceful. But 8th standard student can understand this all coaching fantastically. So right from that we are starting out. So these all things we are considering under unified concept of learning. This is not a coaching class. This is not meant for academics. We are not going to give you any underlying answers. Many times this we observe that teachers are telling that okay, question number so and so, and in book you have to underline these lines. They are the answer of question. So it is not necessary. Concept is that if your concept is very, very clear, then on clearing out that substance, that subject, anyway question is asked, you are able to answer. That is the basic idea. Now, what is use of this unified concept of learning? The thing is that this is not exam specific. It is, again I want to tell, subject specific. So if you are learning out physics, then you are learning out physics for the sake of physics only. But 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard students are there. Even college going students are there. Then students, those who are preparing for competitive exams, they are there. For all of these students, these video lectures may be helpful if these topics are there in your syllabus. So you have to check whether these topics are there in your syllabus, and then you have to study that as a whole subject. Now here, this course, what we are considering, that is unified concept of learning, that is useful for academics, that means 8, 9, 10 standard students, even 11 and 12 standard students are also able to use this. Whereas if you are preparing for certain competitive examinations, for example, IIT JEE, then NEET, and like that examination, even Olympiad and all that, then the fundamentals required for these examinations will get clear here in this course. I am not telling that by observing this video lecture you may appear for IIT JEE exam. No. But whatever the fundamentals are required, they are clear in this all topic. Now second thing, if you are preparing for exam like National Defense Academy entrance test, what is this? That is called as NDA entrance test. You can check out on the same channel, that is Savarkar IAS Study Circle. On this channel only, you will get information about this National Defense Academy entrance test. So, if you are there in 12th standard, then you can appear for this examination and then you can join National Defense Academy, that is at Khadakwasla, Pune. Now, for that purpose also test is there. Then you are aware about UPSC Civil Services examinations. Like that, every state, they have their Public Service Commission examination. For example, we belong to Maharashtra. So we have Maharashtra Public Service Commission, MPSC. So like that, various competitive examinations are there. Whatever our course is there, that is intended for fundamentals of all these examinations. So, what is the benefit of carrying out this course? That benefit is this, that you can prepare for your academics as well as this type of competitive examinations. Certain quiz competitions are also conducted by various organizations. For that purpose also, whatever basic knowledge is there, fundamental knowledge is there, that is given in this course. Now, this is something we are discussing about a unified concept of learning. But how it works? Say for example, if you are studying out history, then whatever the essential things are required for basic history, they are clubbed and video lectures are arranged accordingly. You have to go by various methods are there. Out of that, I am telling you first online method. So, in case of online method, you have to just go through the playlist and start observing these video lectures. All lectures are pre-recorded lectures. That means once upon time video lecture is recorded, but it is useful for us. Many students, they are having some sort of negative approach towards online education, online learning. Yeah, it is true. Because particularly during that lockdown period, many teachers, not all, but many teachers, they were not aware of camera technique and all that. And they faced to take this type of online lectures. That's why many students now say that we don't want online. But the thing is that if lecture is recorded only for online purpose, like you are observing me, you can check out eye contact. I am looking at you only, because this lecture is recorded on camera only. It is not that teacher is observing somewhere else and discussing. So this type of online lectures are there. You can go through that lectures. So only video lecture is sufficient? Answer is no. For that purpose, tests are also there. So you will get video lectures followed by some test. After test, it is not only that okay, you have to get answer yourself. No. After test, we have to go through analysis of that examination. So that is also most important thing. So while doing all these things, you will get thorough about this we can say educational part, or rather for sake of convenience, whatever our knowledge is there for that. So this way we have to follow the sequence, that pre-recorded video lectures, then exams or tests based on that, and after that we'll have analysis of that test. So like that things, they are there in this series. So let us clear that all these video lectures, what you want to study out, they are available on our YouTube channel, that is Savarkar IAS Study Circle. So first stage of this unified concept of learning is free of cost. This is the first course, that is free of cost course, where you will get pre-recorded video lectures. Based on that, some test is there and analysis of that test. So these all things are available here. You can go through these videos. For that purpose, you have to check our YouTube channel. I'm revising name Savarkar IAS Study Circle, and then you have to find out in list on channel there is playlist. You have to find out playlist that is Unified Concept of Learning, UCL. So this is the playlist. You have to go through this playlist. Alternatively, you can check out, now number is appearing on the screen, that is 922-184-9650. On this phone number also, you can check out the playlist. On this phone number, you have to send message from WhatsApp. Just tell your name on WhatsApp. You will get automatic response from WhatsApp where you will get playlist, that is Unified Concept of Learning playlist is also available along with other playlists. So go through that and start your preparation, that is free of cost preparation from Savarkar IAS Study Circle.
Now other courses, they are paid courses. The first one, that is one-way communication paid course. Details are given here. They are conducted through Google. Particularly, you have to pay to Google. They are conducted by our website. Another channel is there. From that channel, we are conducting this course. So this is paid course, that is OWC is the code, that is one-way communication paid. Then second course is paid course only, that is TWC, that is two-way communication. Details are mentioned here, but you have to join this course only first date of the month. Every month we are going to start this course, but first date of the month the course will start. The courses available, they are given here in the list, so you can go through that and join any one, or a ninth number course, that is all above subjects are in the single course. So links are